Good morning and namaskar to everybody. Today, on this occasion of Mother's Day, we are very happy to bring with us Folk Fitness Nanne, and this is a surprise on behalf of early childhood education to all the mothers across India, across the globe. I am Mansi Mehta. I am an educator and I am an integral part of Early Childhood Association. The Early Childhood Association of India is set up with the vision that all the preschools, balwadis, NGOs, children's activity classes, parents, student teachers, media houses, companies that deal with children's products, in short, everyone connected to young children can all come together to advocate, discuss, learn and share, connect and bring about a change in the quality of care development and learning in early childhood in India. Today, I am glad to have Miss Aarti Pandey with us, who is the co-founder of Folk Fitness, celebrity fitness expert, mentor, and influencer. Folk Fitness, as an enterprise, is proud to be delivering wellness solutions inspired by richness of Indian culture coupled with effectiveness of science. Our enterprise mission is creating freedom from PCOS to women by providing easy, convenient, effective, and fun lifestyle system which have been developed with wellness and medical experts. So here is once again a namaskar from a Mumbaikar, which is me, and a Punekar, which is Aarti Pandey. Along with us, we also have Miss Poonam Lunthi. Miss Poonam Lunthi is a master trainer of Fit Fitness Nanne. She is second in line to Miss Aarti Pandey. And before I hand over the mic to Miss Poonam Lunthi, who will be taking us through the initial half of our session with dance and energy session, I would like to mention one thing to Aarti. Aarti is a very dear friend of mine. Folk Fitness is the corporate member of Early Childhood Association, and we are proud to have you. And she's the only woman, trust me, guys, she's the only woman who can make Dr. Swati Popat Watts dance on her tunes literally. Okay, so that was a punchline which I had told Aarti. I'm going to put it public, and I hand over to Poonam Lunthi for her beautiful and energetic session. Over to you, Poonam.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So, hello everyone. Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Adab. I am Poonam Lunthi, Master Trainer of Folk Fitness. So, let me know how excited you are, and by writing in comment box, I can see some people. Hi Preeti, hi Anushka, hi Disha, hi Smriti, hi Rupali. So, let me know how excited you are to dance on folk music. So can I see some comments? Great. Good morning. So good afternoon, everyone, and happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful ladies out there, and very good afternoon to their kids. So let's enjoy our Sunday by doing some dance. Okay. All right. So मुझे जितनी जल्दी यहाँ पे कमेंट्स दिखेंगे उतनी जल्दी ही हम सेशन स्टार्ट कर पाएंगे. So try to comment as fast as you can. Wow, great. Sangeeta, Geeta, Vandana, thank you. Thank you so much. All right, so let me tell you what we are going to do. So आज आप जो भी गाने सुनेंगे वो प्योरली ऑथेंटिक म्यूजिक है. So हम लोग पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे एक अच्छे वार्म अप से, so that whenever we are doing any exercise, we have to do some good warm up. So हम वार्म अप से स्टार्ट करेंगे और उसके बाद मैं आपको 2 ट्रैक्स पे डांस कराऊंगी. एकदम फुल मजे करेंगे हम लोग. ओके, इट्स फाइन अगर आप कोई भी स्टेप मिस करते हैं. इट्स ओके. Here we are to dance and have fun. Okay, so let's start with our warm up. I'm sure you have connected your phones with Bluetooth speaker. You have water bottles with you. आपके पास नैपकिन होगा अगर आपको स्वेटिंग बहुत होती है. Okay, so we will be doing 30 minutes of workout. So I'm sure बहुत sweating होने वाली है, प्यास लगने वाली है, तो आपके पास ये सारी चीजें होना जरूरी है. All right. Waiting for dance. All right, amazing. Thank you, Ritu. Great. Happy Mother's Day to all. Chalo. Okay, now go back. Go back and stand like this. We are starting with warm up. And I'm sure mothers के साथ उनके बच्चे भी कर रहे हैं ये workout. Yes? चलो. All right, just follow me. Okay? Stand straight. Now you have to rotate your neck. Okay? Move your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Up and down. Up.
Ohio. Doromatika hoja. Uno jodiye Maria. Dole tani tani. Mori baje bhagori. Mori buji sare.
Very nice. Now rotate your hand.
Mori buji sare.
Reverse. Shoulder. Very good. Reverse. Back. Very nice. And So this was great warm up. Happy Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day, Happy Mother's Day. Yeah, Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. And I'm sure all mothers are doing this workout with me. Yes? Can I see some yes? Woo! Woo! Well done. Thank you so much. So now we all are warmed up. And I'm assuming that you all are doing with me. आप सब मेरे साथ ये workout कर रहे हैं? Yes? क्या मैं थोड़े thumbs up? Yes. Can you comment yes or thumbs up if you are doing this with me? Woo! Yes. Superb energy. So this was just a warm up, guys. अभी पूरा dance बाकी है. So I'm sure आप बहुत मजा करेंगे इसमें. वार्म अप करना इसलिए जरूरी क्योंकि हम बहुत देर से रेस्टिंग पोजीशन में होते हैं और डायरेक्टली अगर आप वर्कआउट शुरू करोगे तो देयर आर चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग हर्ट और आपको इंजरी हो सकती है, इसलिए हम पहले वार्म अप करते हैं. नाउ लेट्स ट्रैवल अक्रॉस इंडिया. मैं काफी अलग अलग स्टेट्स के गाने यहाँ पे बजाऊंगी जो बहुत फेमिलियर है. काफी लोगों को लगेगा कि अरे ये तो मेरे यहाँ का गाना है. अगर ऐसी फीलिंग आपको आती है तो आप कमेंट करके लिख सकते हैं कि आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. आई हैव ट्राइड माय बेस्ट कि मैं बहुत सिंपल स्टेप करूं ताकि आपको फॉलो करने में बहुत इजी हो. अगर फिर भी कोई स्टेप मिस होता है, आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग, अगर कोई स्टेप मिस होता है तो इट्स ओके, मिस होने दीजिए. आप सिर्फ डांस करिए और खुश रहिए. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर फर्स्ट सॉन्ग. Okay, ready? So, hands on your back. Do this.
बोलिया खाबो के नुआरी मुख के निजुआ लागे, मन को बोलिया बाजू के नुआरी पुरु जो की पूरी लागे. आपो तुम्हें खबर होनाय नतुन आज देखो तुम्हें तो मोर पूरी मार, तुम्हें तो मोर पूरी माजू. बोलिया खाबो के नुआरी मुख के निजुआ लागे, मन को बोलिया बाजू के नुआरी पुरु जो की पूरी लागे. आपो तुम्हें खबर होनाय नतुन आज देखो तुम्हें तो मोर पूरी मार, तुम्हें तो मोर पूरी मार. Mariamma, Mariamma, Juliamma, Juliamma. अलवेल मणि मगुणम ये आयन कुंकरपम पड़ी पड़ी प्रेदू मत मारियम्मा 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 त्रिशूलियम्मा नीलियम्मा
Superb. Woo. Hello, Kiran. Hello, Abhishek. Woo. Yes, I hope all the parents and the kids are enjoying. Yes. So, can anybody tell me कि अभी हमने जो गाने किए हैं वो कौन से स्टेट से हैं? Thank you, Anshita, for the compliment. Now my question for you guys is कि आपने जो अभी सॉन्ग सुने वो कौन से स्टेट से थे? The first song we did, the steps were like this. Second one is, and last काफी लोगों को आइडिया आ गया होगा. I'm expecting more answers. So parents quickly comment कीजिए कि आपने जो अभी गाने सुने, just guess करिए आप, जरूरी नहीं है कि आंसर सही ही होगा. Brilliant, Rahul Asami, great. So the first song we did, Bihu from Assam. The second song, कौन आंसर देगा इसका? Quickly, Gujarat. Great. So the जो last song हमने किया वो गुजरात से था, गरबा. Brilliant, thank you Om, thank you Kaira. मेघालय. So I think जो आप बिहू बोल रहे हो वो आसाम से है. आसाम बिहू डांस. Superb. रेणुका, awesome. Thank you. Great. Second कहां से था? So the second song was from South, जो है Kargatam. Kargatam from South, okay? Yes, Tamil song. Brilliant. ग्रेट. सो आई एम श्योर आप लोग को बहुत मजा आ रहा है. ऑलरेडी आई एम स्वेटिंग अ लॉट. आप भी मेरी तरह ही स्वेट कर रहे हैं? यस. सो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड लेट्स डू सेकेंड ट्रैक. और सेकेंड ट्रैक के बाद आई आस्क यू अगेन कि आपने कौन कौन से सॉन्ग सुने हैं. बट दैट डजंट मीन कि आप बहुत ध्यान से गाने सुनो और डांस ना करो. लेट्स डांस टुगेदर और फिर इसके बाद मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी. रेडी 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 रेडी. कैन आई सी थम्स अप? आर यू रेडी? लास्ट गुजराती. ब्रिलियंट. यस प्रीति, लास्ट वाज गुजराती. So are we ready? Are we good to go to our next song? And guys, it is very important in this session you have to smile. Okay? So अगर आप भूल जा रहे हैं कि हमें स्माइल करना है, so बार बार आपके ब्रेन को रिमाइंडर भेजिए कि we have to smile and do dancing. Can I see comments? Yes, yes, yes. Thumbs up so that we can start our next track. So ये लास्ट ट्रैक है. ओके अंशिता, थैंक यू अंशिता. यस रेखा सिंह, यस ब्रिलियंट. ओके कैन आई गेट मोर? यस yes 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 yes. Thumbs up thumbs up thumbs up. Smile smile smile. Yes yes, fast guys. Okay chalo next track. Okay, अभी आप कमेंट नहीं. It's okay if you are not commenting. Let's start dancing.
दरिया रे माझा सागरा रे, दरिया रे माझा सागरा रे, माझा सागरा रे, दरिया रे माझा सागरा रे, दरिया रे माझा सागरा रे, सन तुझा यो बरसाचा सन हाय नारळी पुनवचा, सन तुझा यो बरसाचा सन हाय नारळी पुनवचा, सन हाय नारळी पुनवचा, सन हाय नारळी पुनवचा, नारळी पुनवचा, सन हाय नारळी पुनवचा, दरिया रे माझा सागरा रे, दरिया रे माझा सागरा रे, दरिया रे माझा सागरा रे, दरिया रे माझा सागरा.
Super, great. Okay, so already लोगों ने कमेंट किया है मराठी, कोली, पंजाबी. Brilliant, guys. So those like Preeti, Pooja, Nikita, Aruna, Renuka, I'm sure आप ये डांस कर रहे हैं. Yes. Second is Punjabi. Brilliant. Brilliant Kaira, sorry. आपकी डॉटर का नाम क्या है? सानवी. Amazing, Sanvi. Thank you so much. Second Punjabi. Third Marathi. That is Koli. First one. The first song was again from South. So, all right. Let me know if you want to do one more song. अगर आपको मराठी वापस करना है, so comment में give a big heart. अगर आपको मराठी वापस करना है, कोली dance, which is दरिया रे, so give a big heart. If you want to do Punjabi, then show me a thumbs up. Okay? So let's play this. जिसको ज्यादा वोट मिलेंगे, मैं वो सॉन्ग वापस प्ले करूंगी. Nanne anthem for kids. Yes, of course. So we have a surprise for kids and for their parents as well. Third wala Koli, second wala Punjabi. Okay. Third was Koli. Great, great guys. Thank you so much. चलो फिर हम करते हैं नन्हे anthem, which is a big surprise. I'm sure सब बच्चे मुझे follow कर रहे हैं. Yes and no. कुछ क्योंकि ये स्पेशल सॉन्ग हमने बनाया है बच्चों के लिए, which is about good habits, bad habits, what to do, what not to do. So I request all the parents अपने बच्चों के साथ ये गाना फॉलो करें मेरे साथ, और then you can share your feedback regarding नन्हे anthem. So इसको हम बोलते हैं नन्हे anthem, which is for our नन्हे kids. Ready? नन्हे anthem. नन्हे anthem के लिए ready है? It's a very cute song. चलो. Follow me. Go down. नाचेंगे गाएंगे yo yo ये वो fitness yo yo ये वो fitness आंखें बंद करके गए अपने मन से I promise we promise ये promise निभाएंगे हम YouTube link of this song available. Okay. Yes, अगर आपको ये songs बहुत पसंद आ रहे हैं, which is natural because ये हमारे culture के ही songs हैं, और you are having great time, you are enjoying dancing on these songs. So yes, you can join us on our Facebook, which is My Folk Fitness, or YouTube My Folk Fitness. आप YouTube पे check कर सकते हैं Folk Fitness FOLKFITNESS और आपको वहां पे ये songs मिलेंगे. You can also join us on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday for complimentary sessions which I am taking at sharp 6 PM. So अगर आपको और डांस करना है इन गानों पे, so आप मुझे ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday को, जो हमारे पेज पे हम लोग लाइव सेशंस लेते हैं free of cost. We are just doing this because of COVID-19. COVID-19 से दूर रहने के लिए इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाना बहुत जरूरी है, एंड इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए we need to do exercise, right? और अगर हम एक्सरसाइज इस फन वे में करेंगे तो we don't feel like we are doing exercise, right? So डांसिंग से दोनों चीज हो जाती है. Now let me know अगर आपको आपकी कोई रिक्वेस्ट है. If you really like this song, wonderful. Where can we get these songs? Okay, my son loved it and he's trying. Brilliant. All right, let's do some stretchings. After every exercise, we do stretching ताकि आपको कल soreness ना हो. Okay, you'll not feel any pain. So just follow me. We'll do 2 minutes of stretchings. And first, please stretch your smile. Ready? Hold your hands up. Stand on your toes. Walk on your toes. And give a big smile. Very nice. Super. Take your right hand towards your left side and stretch. Keep your back straight. Do hyper extension, both hands back. Take your left hand towards your right side and stretch. Very good. Again, both hands back. So we are done with our workout. Great work, superb. खुशदिल, हाय खुशदिल, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हो आप? आपको पसंद आया वर्कआउट? आपको मजा आया डांस करके? हाय सानवी, हाय सानवी, हाउ आर यू? व्हाई आर यू क्राइंग? हमने जस्ट अभी इतना अच्छा डांस किया. यू शुड बी स्माइलिंग. गिव अ बिग स्माइल. Yes, so thank you so much, everyone, all the mothers, all the parents who are watching this live session and did this workout with me. If you really want to know about Folk Fitness, after this, co-founder of Folk Fitness, Aarti Pandey, is joining you. आपकी जो भी questions है fitness से related, आप पूछ सकते हैं. And you can join me on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday sharp at 6 p.m. on our FB page or YouTube page. That is My Folk Fitness. I'll take a leave. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Poonam. Thank you so much for the wonderful session.
Thanks a lot.
Hello,
So
everyone.
over to you, Aarti. And Aarti has been introduced before our session began. So Aarti, I am not going to repeat anything. You may please take over.
Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. First of all, happy Mother's Day to all of you. And being a mother of two, I know the feeling, and it's one day that we celebrate. So excited to be here. And the whole idea of doing this session on ECA page was all the educators, all the parents who are investing so much time on children should also spend time on themselves. That was the whole idea. So I am here today to answer any of your questions that you have for fitness, for health, for building your immunity. So please go ahead and ask me questions so that I can answer them for you. I have been with the fitness industry for more than 2 decades, and answer. Hello, Nikita. Hi, Vandana. Hello, Preeti. I am very closely associated with ECA, and Swati ma'am is one of my favorite and my mentor. So it's a great honor to spend this Mother's Day hour on the ECA platform. So it's a big request because we all are home these days. It's a huge and humble request to spend that 45 minutes on yourself, on your fitness. Yes, we are working from home. Yes, we are doing house chores also. But at the same time, it's very, very important to invest that 45 minutes to do our fitness. You enjoy fitness on music, you can do folk fitness, you can do yoga, you can do stretches and exercises, but please ensure that you're doing some kind of activity at home. And a lot of women feel that, oh, I'm doing the house chores, I'm doing in the morning, the jharu, the pocha, उसे हम एक्सरसाइजेस नहीं कहते हैं. अगर आपको घर के काम करने में कंफर्ट चाहिए और वो बैक पेन और नी पेन नहीं चाहिए, so please ensure that you're investing 45 minutes in your exercises. So I'm here for next some time. Ask me any questions if you have any myths that you want to break, any queries that you have for your exercises, and I would love to answer that for you. I also want to tell you guys that fitness doesn't mean six packs. Fitness also doesn't mean, thin waist. What it means is whatever you are doing in your day-to-day life. So if you're a teacher, if you're an educator and you have to stand for 8 hours, are you able to stand and do your activity without any pain? If you are, doing seated job and you're doing it for long hours, are you able to do that without any pain? And if the answer is yes, that means you're on the fitness journey. It doesn't mean that you need to be extremely thin or you need to have six packs. That's not the definition of fitness. So Renika is asking me, many times due to health issues, many moms can't dance or do vigorous exercise with kids. So what are the options when you have small kids? So what kind of issues are we talking here about? Because dance, one, it helps you to become happy. It's on music. And the beauty is that you know your body, so you know how much vigorous you have to be. If I can touch the floor and you can't, don't touch. Just go as much as your body is allowing you. So the beauty is that you know your body, you know your flexibility, you know the limit, and you must do it as per that. And dance is something you can do with any age group of children. So put on some music, dance with your kids, and you will see the smile on their face and also on your face. And for people who feel all right, let me also tell you the scientific reason behind it. Every time you're dancing or you're exercising, you're releasing the happy hormone, which is the oxytocin. And trust me, the happy hormone only makes you happy. So every time you're feeling a little low, or if you're having long hours to work, just stand up, put on some music, make some moves, and see how you get happy. And this is the same for your children. So you will also see them enjoying and having fun, and that too with their mommies. So what else? Another message on Mother's Day is please, please, please ensure that we are giving ourselves, as mothers, as women of the house, we are giving ourselves priority, because if you are fit and you are happy, your family is going to be fit and they are going to be happy. So Preeti is asking me, in kids, how do we increase their immunity? It's a very, very good question. Also with the kids, for the mothers, how do you increase your immunity? Right? See, the beauty is even now, all the mommies are asking questions about their children. I would like you to ask questions about yourself. What is that question that as a woman, as a mother, you have for yourself? I would love to answer that first. Thank you, Kesha. So there are 5 pillars for immunity: eat, move, breathe, sleep, and happiness quotient. Eat, move, sleep, breathe, and happiness quotient. And you need to ensure all those 5 pillars are taken care of. Are you eating right? Are you moving continuously? Are you giving preference to your sleep? Are you breathing with awareness? And are you happy mentally? A lot of us take our breaths for granted because it's happening on its own. None of us are actually taking deep breaths. So if you all are ready, and if I see some thumbs up, I'll teach you a quick breathing technique that you can do at home and ensure that you guys are breathing in awareness. I like to see some thumbs up so that I know that you guys are listening to me. Thank you, Anshita. Yes, the 5 pillars, we need to work on each pillar of those. And trust me, if you do that, no corona, no COVID can actually touch you. All right. So I want you all to do this breathing technique along with me. I call it 4-7-8. 4-7-8. You need to inhale at the count of 4. Hold your breath for the count of 7. And then release your breath for 8 counts. So you're inhaling in the count of 4. So you're inhaling at the count of 4. You need to hold your breath for the count of 7 and release it through your mouth for the count of 8. When you do this, the cycle of 4, so this is one cycle, 4-7-8, one cycle. Do 4 cycles early in the morning, anytime you're feeling anxious, you're feeling irritated, angry, you're feeling that craving for junk food and you don't want to eat it. Before you act on that craving, try doing this cycle of 4, the breathing technique, and see the difference. You will feel much calmer. The irritation will disappear. Before you give that back answer, you do this trick and see how it helps you. So eat right for now Stay away from sugar. Make sure you're away from all that junk food. Even when you're working, you feel like popping something, have nuts instead of having those chips. Ensure you're away from sugar. Replace it with jaggery, which is easily available at home. Avoid cut caffeine, not too much of tea and coffee. We are home. I'm telling you things that you can avoid. I'm not telling you what you should do. I'm telling you what you should reduce, because we are home and we have more time to add all of this. So please make sure you don't do that. Move. When I say exercise at least 45 minutes, even if that's becoming too much of a task for you, if you're sitting and working, you've taken a session with your children online, if you're a mommy working in a corporate, make sure you get up, take a round of the house, do 10 times up and down on your chair. These little things are going to help you in the long run. Trust me. Eat, move, sleep. Have a fixed time to go to bed. Have a fixed time to wake up. Don't have various timings. Oh, it's a Saturday night, let me sleep late. Oh, I'm home, I can sleep late. Have a fixed time to sleep. Have a fixed time to wake up. It will help you, because your brain understands the timing. It understands and helps you build habit. And sleep is another big contributor in making your immunity strong. And again, the kids, you are the role model. So they're going to see what you're doing and going to follow it. Have a lot of play with your children, because that's another way of doing movement, right? Thank you, guys. I'm seeing a lot of thumbs up. It's making me happy. Do we have more questions for me? I would love to answer. I hope these 5 pillars are something that you all will work on. We do a lot of talks on our page. We do a lot of sessions. So if you guys find this useful, do like our page for fitness, where you can get these tips, how and what you can do being at home. I want to wish all of you happy Mother's Day again. And make sure that have a healthy and a happy, not only today's Mother's Day, but all the days of your life.
Thank you so much, Aarti. It was a wonderful session.
Thank you,
it was a wonderful start of a Sunday, and especially Mother's Day. This is something that we could do in the virtual world that we are right now to make the best and bring smiles to all the mothers' faces. So thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for joining us. And it was a wonderful start of the day, and have a great day ahead. Wishing you, Aarti, a very happy Mother's Day too.
Thank you. Thank you, Mansi. Take care. Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Bye. Thank you.